get started on my jambalaya. Now I got my fresh red peppers, fresh green peppers, the sausage, some Texas Pete, and some jasmine rice, and the secret ingredients, which I'm not going to show you because they're my secret. Alright, you'll see the finished product when I'm done.
There is a house in New Orleans, they call the rising sun. How do you like that jambalaya cooking right now? Nice color, right? I'm just like the Colonel. I got 11 herbs and spices in there that I didn't tell you about, but you'll see the finished product. I didn't mention that I do use a jalapeno sausage, so it gives it an extra little kick. So that's another ingredient, just to let you know. Okay, it's time to unveil her. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. Ain't it pretty? Oh, yeah. That's some good eating right there.